Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about sugar. I know sugar has a bad rap with a lot of people, but it's a lot healthier than some of the sugar substitutes that are out there. And sugar itself is a preservative, and it also lasts forever. There really is no expiration date on sugar. Okay, so something to think about. Also, if you're going to get sugar, spend a little bit more and get the pure cane sugar. Unlike sugar beets, it's not sprayed with any pesticides. So that's something to think about right there. Stay happy. Don't let life get you down. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill every month, and see about growing some different plants this year.